YouTubers, I'm here to make you your first $10,000 online or make you your first $10,000 to $30,000 monthly recurring. That means every single month you're making at least $10,000 per month or $30,000 per month. If you're interested in finding out how I'm going to do that, continue watching this video and I'll be sure to explain step by step how I'm going to go about this process. Finally, the day has come. Today is July 25th, 2024, and I am here to present to you Before Synthesis and Synthesis Overview, a case study. So this is for YouTubers who are looking to make their first $10,000 or are ready to make $10,000 to $30,000 per month recurring. So if you're interested in that, continue to be watching and stay tuned for what's coming. Okay, so guys, the time has been long awaited. Like, it's been a very long time. I know I've been teasing throughout the past couple months and just throughout this journey on YouTube consulting. I know I've been teasing a product. And I've been in such a learning and development phase for the past couple months, the past month, and now it's finally time. It's finally the time. It's finally time to start and actually present to you guys the product that's here to literally change the lives of my YouTube clients. Literally, this has been so long awaited, but finally I have gotten all the details correct. I've gotten everything down to a T, and it's time to actually bring something to the market that is going to change the lives of you guys. So I've been in the lab, I've been working. So I'm recording this YouTube video. I just want to present this to you guys. And after this, you're going to see me blitz max my socials so much, my Twitter, my LinkedIn, my YouTube. You guys are going to be seeing so much content. But behind the scenes, I was trying to get this polished and finished for you guys just so I can know it's the right product for you. So I'm here to present to you Before Synthesis and the Synthesis Overview. This is a case study. So look, like I said, excuse me. Finally, the day has come where I've come to break the market for YouTube creators. Simple. It's D-Wave's acquisition. It's Divine Awaga. Of course, I'm here to break the market. Of course, I'm here to lead with my product. Fuck everything else. If the product isn't the best product possible, then nothing matters. I'm here to change lives, and it is now time to release something I am super excited for YouTubers to hear. So first, we're introducing Before Synthesis and the Before Synthesis community. This is my intro course and community created to make you your first $10,000 from your small YouTube channel. This is for YouTubers with a minimum of 500 to 20,000 subscribers. Like I said, this is my intro course. So this is for YouTubers who have a small YouTube channel, who haven't been able to monetize with AdSense, who are struggling with their content strategy, who are struggling with monetization. This is for you guys. This is also for creators with above 20,000 subscribers, and maybe they're just not ready for the main program yet. I will send you to Before Synthesis, and I'll also send you to the Before Synthesis community. So the next thing I'm introducing is Synthesis. This is my main program. This is the bread and butter. This is what is really going to get you to 30K months, 40K months, 50K months. For example, with this community or with this program, I'm emphasizing a community vehicle model. And I'm showing you guys a community vehicle model where, for example, if you were to get 100 members in your community, you would have $10,000 a month. Say, for example, you had 100 members out of, for example, a minimum of, because in Synthesis, you need a minimum of 20,000 subscribers to join. So say, for example, you had 100 people out of those 20,000 subscribers. You know how easy that is. You see how simple that is. 100 members just to get $10,000 a month. And that's only within 3 months working with me. So like I said, I'm rambling. I'm introducing Synthesis, the program created to make you $10,000 to $30,000 per month in only 3 months working with me without working 8 hours a day. So like I said earlier, if you're a YouTuber with a minimum of 500 to 20,000 subscribers, I can get you to your first $10,000 with your YouTube business without waiting for YouTube to monetize you, brand deals, or sponsorships. Yup, we're doing this to you. If this interests you, the Before Synthesis course and the Before Synthesis community is the place to be. Yeah, we want to get your YouTube business into something where it can actually be your main thing that you're doing in your life. We want this to support your career. We want this to be your career. So these are the first steps into taking that into becoming the person that you always have wanted to be. If you are a YouTuber with a minimum of 20,000 subscribers plus, so minimum 20,000, but you could be 50K, you could be 100K, you could be 500K, you could be a million, etc. I will help you achieve a consistent YouTube channel growth from dream audience members by improving your content strategy. And then we're going to build you an MRR monetization vehicle that will generate you 10K to 30K per month in the first 3 months working with me without working 8 hours a day. No more being on the content hamster wheel. No more being on the content train of spending hours and hours and hours creating videos, editing videos, thumbnail design, doing things that don't actually move your lever. Don't actually move the lever forward. Do not actually put direct money into your pocket. Yes, editing and thumbnail design are not putting money directly into your pocket. We're going to have to outsource that. And we're going to do this without working 8 hours a day. We're only going to be having you focusing on the things that actually put money into your pocket. That's recording. That's ideating. That's talking to members of your audience. That's selling paid products. Yes, these are things that you need to be doing. And these are things you're going to be implementing when you join Synthesis. But if you're not ready for that, you'll start with the intro. But if you are, welcome to Synthesis. You're about to be making $10,000 at least in the first 3 months working with me. So if this sounds like something you want in your YouTube business, you're going to be more interested in Synthesis. That's for YouTubers with a minimum of 20,000 subscribers. So if you're tired of relying on AdSense, sponsorships, brand deals, cheap digital products, if you're tired of lacking a content strategy that's directly putting money into your pocket, and if you're tired of being a broke YouTuber, if you're just tired of being a broke YouTuber, constantly making content and videos, networking, trying to just be consistent, but you're still not seeing the dollars that you have always wanted from your YouTube channel. If you're tired of spending hours and hours on the video creation process, spending tons of time on editing, thumbnail creation, and recording. If you're tired of having an audience that doesn't want to buy your stuff, oh yeah, of course, we want our audience to purchase premium solutions from us, so we have to charge premium prices for these premium solutions. If you're just tired of hearing cute and general advice from YouTuber videos, like just be consistent. Focus on making better videos. Like what? That's not directly putting money into your pocket. Then Before Synthesis and Synthesis is the right place for you. Finally, after you have joined, you now have your first $10,000 from your YouTube business, or a business is actually making you $10,000 to $30,000 per month every single month. That's if you join either Before Synthesis and the Before Synthesis community, or if you join Synthesis. You now have an audience of dream customers who genuinely value what you provide and are eager to purchase solutions from you. Finally, you now have an incredible paid product that generates tens of thousands of dollars per month while genuinely spreading goodwill and value to the world. Like you're genuinely changing and transforming the lives of the people you help. That's the goal, and that's what we have always wanted to do with our channel, with our vehicles, with our businesses. What's the point if we're not spreading more good into the world, putting more good energy out into the world, literally changing people's lives, the things that literally keep them up at night? What's some things that keep you up at night? Imagine how painful those things are. You know how painful those things are. You think about them, it keeps you up at night. I have some things that keep me up at night. That thing is painful. So if you can really help somebody get rid of that biggest pain, dude, it's beautiful. We call that beautiful money. Your days and weeks, finally, are structured and systemized to the T, where each day is focused on the lever moving tasks that directly put money in your pocket, working only 3 to 5 hours a day. We're only going to focus on the lever moving tasks, the things that have direct ROI and direct income benefits. And finally, you now have a community to talk with other small audience member YouTubers and discuss strategies, insights, topics from courses, and frameworks and documents within the course, and discussions and future plans and ideas for each other's YouTube channels. You get to receive feedback from other YouTubers who are just like you. That's if you join Before Synthesis and the Before Synthesis community. So I just want to also show you guys just a flow of how everything is going to go about for Before Synthesis and Synthesis. So here I have as it loads. Yes, please let it load. Here I have the Before Synthesis customer success journey. So let's see if I can put this into full screen. Yep. So look, we have the Before Synthesis customer success journey. It starts off with condition 1. We're going to shift your entire paradigm on YouTube monetization. So like it says, you're going to be destroying your beliefs on monetization. You now understand what to focus on to actually generate profit from YouTube with a small channel, and understand the real metrics to focus on within your YouTube business. This is by the end of condition 1. Condition 2, we're going to show you the alchemy of making money with a small audience, not just the tactics, not just the actions. We're going to show you the mindset, the beliefs you need to hold, the intricacies of making money with a small audience. When you're equipped with this knowledge, you're going to have the tools to be able to conquer, to be able to print money with your small YouTube channel. You now understand why you can make money with your small audience, and with this new information, you now are starting to see the possibilities of what you can do with your YouTube channel. Condition 3, tripling down on your niche and the dream customer avatar. You now understand the importance of sticking to one niche hard. Your niche and dream customer avatar is dialed in, and every single decision you make within your YouTube business is based on these 2 factors. So we're going to dial these 2 factors in, and then from there, everything that you do furthermore after these 2 factors are dialed in, that is the basis for your entire business. That's the basis for your content strategy, your business strategy, your business plan. Everything that you do is because you have your niche and your dream customer avatar dialed in. Everything you do is for the customer. You're going to keep that framework in your mind. Condition 4, what problems can you solve for a DCA? What solutions can you charge for? You now understand the real problems that your DCA have. You now can truly create a great solution that can solve these problems while being able to charge a fuck ton for these solutions. So that's the goal. You figure out their biggest pain points and problems, and then you'll figure out how you can create a solution that's going to help them solve these biggest pain points and problems. And because they're your dream customer avatar, these are people who are genuinely going to love you for you. They're going to want to purchase anything from you. That's the secret. Condition number 5, systems and leverage within your YouTube business. By the end of this, you now will have the schedule freedom to actually focus on money-making tasks within the business. You have learned what these money-making tasks are, and you understand how to schedule your day and week around these tasks to systemize your YouTube business. So you're going to learn how to actually structure your days and your weeks so that you can have the most leverage in a system, not just leverage in general. You need to be leveraged in a system so you can do the tasks required to get to your first $10,000 per month. You need to remove the stuff that's not directly put money into your pocket. Only keep the things that are, outsource the rest. But we'll teach you how to do that in Before Synthesis. So condition number 6, we're going to show you how to actually monetize your YouTube business to go from a beginner YouTube business owner to an intermediate YouTube business owner. So by the end of this, you now understand the best business model for you and how to actually implement this business model step by step into your YouTube business. So you're going to figure out, based on your channel, based on the type of person you are, based on where you want to go with your business, what is the correct business model for you? How do you go about it? How do you actually implement it? And what are the steps for you to grow and scale that business model? It's going to be specifically for you. Everybody's going to be different. Everybody's going to have a different business model. But we're also going to show you just the overall best business model for YouTube business beginners as well. So condition number 7, we're going to show you fulfillment for your customers. You now understand by the end of this condition how to actually deliver amazing results for your customers and why this is the biggest lever you can pull for the future of your YouTube business. Without product, without fulfillment, without results, nothing else matters. This is probably one of the most important conditions in the entire customer success journey. Condition number 8, principles of marketing and sales after monetization. So by the end of this, you now understand how to actually attract leads and get more sales through owning attention on the social platforms you are on. You're going to understand what actually makes people want to come and buy your stuff, how to get more of your dream customer avatar, how to get more of your dream audience member so that you can continue to make money, you continue to scale, you can continue to have more profit and funds to make better products, to provide more value. We're going to show you how to really market your vehicle, and we're going to show you how to make more people want to buy, et cetera, et cetera. So that's just principles of marketing and sales after monetization. And the last condition, you're going to get more customers, and then we're also going to show you what the future of your YouTube business can actually hold. So this is now just you understand the future direction for your new and improved business and what the future potential holds in scaling your YouTube business. So we're going to show you the philosophy of scaling and how to actually go about scaling depending on the business model you have. And we're going to show you what that future can hold and how you can scale it and go beyond what you have done thus far with your business model. We're going to show you the step by step. Where does this actually leave you in the end? Finally, you have your first $10,000 from your YouTube business. Your life and business is systemized, both working as a machine. Your business is set up completely to scale to new heights in the future. And you're well on your way to financial freedom online, doing what you love, helping the type of people you truly want to help. It's beautiful. We literally call this beautiful money. You're helping people who want to be helped by you, and you're providing a premium solution that they're paying you a lot of money for, but you're genuinely providing value that's changing their lives. And then I just also want to show you just the synthesis flywheel. It's not as in-depth as a customer success journey for Before Synthesis, but it's still very important. So like I said, synthesis is for YouTubers with a minimum of 20,000 subscribers. So if this is not you, Before Synthesis is for you. But if you have a minimum of 20,000 subscribers, you need to be in synthesis. This is the place where you want to be. This is where you'll be able to actually make the big bucks that are life-changing, that literally change the outcome and trajectory of your life. $10,000 is good. That's your first $10,000 is amazing. But why wouldn't you want to make $30,000 per month? I think that's almost 400K a year. And that's only in the first 3 months. So think about how it is going to be after you scale past $30,000 per month, after those 3 months are over. $40,000 per month is only about 400 members in your community. $50,000 is about 500 members in your community. 500 out of 20,000 subscribers, bro. I mean, you can do the math. So I don't know. So this is the flywheel of synthesis. Let's wait for the exit screen to go. So we're first going to define your niche, define your dream audience member, the specific person who you are going to be reaching and who is going to be basically the foundation for any decision you make within your YouTube business. So we're going to define your niche, your dream audience member, And then from there, your content strategy, and then the lever moving tasks that will arise from your new and improved content strategy and your new and improved plan for your entire business. We're going to define the lever moving tasks specifically and specified, unique, step by step to you. It's going to be specific to you, unique to you. Before Synthesis doesn't get that because it is a do-it-yourself course. This is done with you. You're going to get one-on-one consulting. You're going to get one-on-one consulting in my 24/7 personal WhatsApp number with step-by-step frameworks detailing how to do every single task within this program. I have a module list that I will show you guys eventually, but for now, we're only going to show you the flywheel. So after you do the first one, you then are going to you're going to create your monetization vehicle, which is a paid and private community. We're going to show you step-by-step how to do this. We're going to show you step-by-step how to scale, and we're going to show you step-by-step, I don't even want to say this, how to make it semi-passively, make it semi-passive income. So we're going to show you how to create your monetization vehicle, which is a paid and private community, and we're going to constantly be refining it, improving it, reiterating it, making it better and better over time. We're then going to funnel that dream audience member to the monetization vehicle. Of course, this is how you're going to make the money. We're going to show you the sequence, how to launch, how to do a beta launch, how to do alpha launch, how to actually go about launching and creating your community, and how to make a community that people genuinely want to be a part of. So we're then going to get results for the avatar in the monetization vehicle. Of course, like I said, no product, no nothing. If you don't have product fulfillment, you have nothing. So we're going to focus on incredible results and incredible value provided. Now, this is where the big bucks are made, bro. So after you get results for the avatar in the monetization vehicle with your base value that you've provided in the monetization vehicle, like for example, in your paid and private community, you've gotten results via courses, via calls, via group calls, et cetera, via discussions, conversations, et cetera. Eventually, there are going to be certain people in that, for example, you have 400 members of your community. There will be a certain amount of members in that community who still want extra help and who are willing to pay for extra and more direct help by you. These are people who you're going to upsell into a higher ticket vehicle. So like I said, you're going to eventually upsell more serious avatars into a higher ticket vehicle. This is where the big bucks are made because you can charge 2K, 3K, 4K. 2K is low, bro. You can charge 4K, 5K for your more specific time, for your specific help with a specific or direct task that they might need help on. You're going to upsell these more serious avatars into a higher ticket vehicle. Basically, you're going to be creating so much more money on the back end of the already recurring amount you're making per month. I'm telling you, this is where the big bucks are made. So you're then going to use the results of the higher ticket vehicle as well as your main monetization vehicle as testimonials, and case studies for more results as you scale. So the more results you get, the more case studies you get, the more testimonials you get, the more people that want to join your community. And now you see how the flywheel is starting to form. As you get more results, as you get more testimonials and case studies, you're going to continue to keep defining your niche, keep diving deep down into that dream audience member, keep dialing in your content strategy, getting better, making better content, better ideas, better scripts, better recording skills, focusing more on the lever movement tasks. Then you constantly continue to make the community better, continue to refine it, continue to improve it, continue to funnel the avatar to the paid private community, continue to get results, continue to upsell more people, continue to use the result of a testimonial, a case study for more results that you scale, continue to define niche. You get the point, obviously. So this is the flywheel of Synthesis, and this is what you'll be able to accomplish if you follow all these steps. And truthfully, bro, like all this is very, very plausible. We lay it out step by step how to do all of this. And we're going to show you how to actually implement this into your YouTube business. So let me just exit that out. At the end of this document, I said, if you're interested in learning more about everything mentioned thus far, here's a direct link that you can go to for further details, which is dwaysacquisition.com. And then I also said, here's a direct link to the free Before Synthesis community as well. If you're a YouTuber with minimum, let me just fix that too. Sorry, you guys. Maybe mine's prepared as I want it to be. Fix that. I said, here's the direct link to the free Before Synthesis community as well. If you're a YouTuber with minimum 500 subscribers to 20,000 subscribers. So, but in the first link in the description, I'm going to put D-Ways Acquisition. So go check everything there. That's going to be in the first link in the description. The second link in the description will have school.com/Before Synthesis. That's where the Before Synthesis community is. And go check that out if you have a minimum of 500 subscribers to 20,000 subscribers. So first link, go. You can see everything. You're going to check out everything about me. You'll learn everything about me. And then second link is the free school community. It's a free school community for YouTubers with a minimum of 500 subscribers and 20,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys' time. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. I'm so excited to deliver this value. I've been working behind the scenes. I've been working really hard, but now it's time to really change the lives of my clients. So thank you guys for watching. Of course, love y'all. Hope to see you guys soon. Hope to see you guys on the other side. First link and second link. Go ahead.